Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a nail reserve haul. So excited. So they asked if I wanted to try some more colors, and obviously I said yes because duh. So let me take these out. Literally, these are all the swatch sticks I have left. I think I have like 7 left. So we're going to have to just do it all in one, which I hate doing. But I guess it's better than not swatching them. Let's make room here. So I kind of went with like a glittery pattern. So this is here is Odd Encounter, and it is super fine, like silver pigment in it. Really excited for that. Ooh, honestly, this like is really pigmented. Here's Celtic Sparkle with that same kind of like silvery glitter in it. Really like this color too. Do we see that silver sparkle? Okay, next up is Jack-O-Lantern. Also has that silver sparkle, because I was just in a sparkly mood, okay? It just happens. That's a really pretty color. That's perfect for Halloween, literally. Probably why they designed it. Okay, next up is Opening Credits. Yes. You guys know Shard Glitter is literally my go-to when it comes to glitter. Next up, Golden Crown. This might be my favorite, although this purple I'm eyeing over here, you know. Ooh, okay. I feel like I want that on my nails like right now. I am low-key obsessed with that. Next up is Gold Addict. Nice liquidy gold. There we go. And apparently we're now just kind of, you know, rotating. And next one is Paradise Peach, which for purple, that's interesting. Yeah, okay, and I don't might be a toss-up. Look at how pretty these are. And you guys know I am a fail of Nail Reserve, and they used to be formerly Nail Addict. I've used them for quite some time. My opinion might be biased, I will say that, because I have liked their products for a very long time. They were previously Nail Addict, and again, I've used them for years, so I already knew I liked their product. This was more just probably showing you the colors that I got versus necessarily reviewing the brand, if that makes sense. So I figured since this was my favorite one, I'm gonna show you guys how to get a really good solid coat of glitter gel without applying base color, I should say. Paradise Peach was my favorite one, but it's also a chunkier glitter one. So I'm gonna actually do like a little tip and trick here. So thankfully this glitter gel does have a base color to it. So what I'm gonna do to get myself the most impactful punch of the gel polish, so I'm doing a nice thin coat. Ignore the sirens in the background that you can hear. Super thin coat here. Push back to that cuticle. Ooh, they're just getting louder. Okay, coming around. So now you have that kind of first base coat. Now that the first layer is done, we have not cured yet. I'm just gonna take a little bit more of that gel polish, and I'm just lightly gliding it across the nail. And now we can go ahead and cure that, and we will come in with a second layer. So we're gonna keep the bulk down on the second coat, and a lot of times what you'll see is when you are applying your second coat, you go all the way to the edge here and you're gonna create a little bit more of a flared look. So I like to keep most of my second coat kind of in the middle fourth. So you can see I didn't really put anything on this side, only because I was able to get a really good coat on the first one. So when I went down the sides and then I came over with that second coat, it allowed that gel polish to really kind of fill out the sides here. And I don't feel like I am missing any color from the sides, and you're not gonna even notice that you put most of that color in the middle on that second coat. So let's repeat that process. So I do like to unload the brush, and that's going to help you not flood your pupils. So by unloading that, you're saving your pupils in the long run. And again, dragging it down the sides. And like I said, this polish does have some color in it, so when you are looking for one to just apply that glitter, look for one that actually has a little bit of base coat color in it. Otherwise, you will probably have to apply a base coat color to keep it nice and smooth and clean. Those clean lines are super important when applying glitter, and I just got it all over itself. Okay, now we're coming in with that second coat on here, so it's almost like a slip layer, and I'm just gliding it across that center, and I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, we're going to do that to all of the next nails before we go in with our second layer. Okay, so we're still uncured, and I'm just gliding it through the top here. And I'm not taking a lot of gel polish because you don't want it to be too thick, otherwise you're not going to get a full cure all the way through. So keep that in mind, especially if you have a super pigmented glitter or even a gel polish, you definitely want to keep them thin. This is just adding a little bit of extra in that center, but it can still cure all the way through. I also have a little straightening brush that sometimes my polish, I can't get all the way up in there, so I like to just take that straightening brush and pull back with that gel polish color to make sure that I get nice smooth cuticles. Okay, we're coming in with our second coat, and just in that center, and I'm not taking a heavy hand to this, I am just gliding it on to just add that opacity to the center instead of the sides. But you do want to make sure that your sides are well done, so take your time on that first coat to make sure that they are all done on the side. Okay, coming in with my top coat. Okay, applying that top coat. And the great thing about when you apply the top coat, it literally hides any imperfections. So for example, if your first to second coat did not go as planned, this usually hides it all. Make sure you cap that free edge. I love me a good glossy top coat on glitter. Also, if you find, let's see, the line of light, see how it's a little squiggly? I like to just take a little bit of the top coat, run it down the center, and give it a second to kind of fan out, and then flip my nail upside down. Yeah, I absolutely love, whoa, did we see that? Hopefully that was on camera. I absolutely love this color. It is so luscious and it's not too thick on my nails. Obviously, when you apply a gel polish, you have to take into account when building out your nails. My nails were already built out, so I did not take account for it. But overall, I think my tips and tricks hopefully will help you keep that bulk down by keeping majority of the product in that center, but still having that gel polish all the way down the side here. Again, I would like to thank Nail Reserve for sending these over to me. I do have a discount code with them. I will make sure to link it below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.